Hi friends, I am Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one simple, easy but yummy, very crunchy, crispy pakora or fritters you can say, which I am making with bottle gourd leaves. This is basically my bottle gourd plant, but now it got mixed up with pumpkin and bottle gourd. Both got mixed up. It became so bushy, so I thought let me cut some stems and leaves from this bottle gourd plant. I will cut some stems, but I am going to use only the bottle gourd leaves today. Here I took 7 bottle gourd leaves. First clean and wash nicely. Here I took medium sized bottle gourd leaves. After washing, I'll soak these leaves one by one in hot water for 20 to 30 seconds. This process will make the leaf bit softer and it will be easy for me to fold the leaves, so it will not break while folding. See, the leaf became soft now. I'll fold it, but it's not breaking. It's easy to fold now. Here I'll use hard-boiled eggs for stuffing, which I'll cut in half. Let me prepare the mustard paste now. Here I took 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds powder, 3 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. I will add 2 tablespoons of water to make the paste. Now the paste is ready. In this paste, I'll add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and give it a good mix. Now I'll prepare the batter. To prepare the batter, I took 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Here I'll add 6 tablespoons of water to make the batter. Here I'll add water slowly. The batter should be a little bit runny, not too thick. The consistency should be runny. See, like this. To give it a crunchy texture and taste, I'll add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds here in this batter. Now mix it nicely. So our batter is totally ready. Now is the frying part. I took vegetable oil in a karai. Till the oil gets heated, let me prepare the leaf now. Place a leaf on the plate. Now I'll put 1 hard-boiled egg in the middle of the leaf. Add 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard paste on top of that egg. Then fold the leaf from both the sides. Same way, fold all the leaves. Time to fry now. Oil is also hot enough. So now we'll dip this leaf into the batter and we'll deep fry. Fry this lawer patar bora, or you can say bottle gourd fritter or pakora, for 3 to 4 minutes in medium heat, both the sides. Once one side is fried enough, then please turn it and fry it other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can have it as a starter or just with tea or with rice and dal as well. The strong mustard smell blends very nicely with the coconut and gives a very creamy texture. Once both the sides are fried nicely, you can take it off and same way I'll fry all the pakoras now. So our simple, tasty, crunchy lau patar bora or bottle gourd leaves pakora or fritters is ready to have it now. It looks delicious and is very crunchy because of rice powder and poppy seeds. Thanks for watching. That's all from me today. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.